Satideh morning, runnings day. Good morning, me early. Last week, me late. After me talk to no, I head down a crossroad, bus left me. I decide that the bus now leave me this morning. More so, me hat. Me leave me hat last week. Can you imagine? So, me dress because my grandmother said you must always be presentable. You never know who you're going to meet. Anyhow, as a child, I started going to the market early, like many of us. I used to go to Chapelton Market. And I knew Chapelton very well. Why? Because I used to go to Chapelton Primary for a few years. Yes, I used to go Chapelton Primary School. And so after a while, my grandmother decided that I am going to go to the market. Now, I would have been 10, about 10. And I knew Chapelton, so I wasn't intimidated. I wasn't afraid. I knew how to get around. She gave me my list, and I was sent to a very special market woman by the name of Miss Monica. Yes, I went to Miss Monica in the market, a fair skinned lady who sat in a very special spot. Because you know, most market people, they don't just go to market and sit down any and anyway. After a while, they have their special spot, and you know exactly where to find them, especially if you're not one of them people where go walk out the whole market and try find where you want. You go to your special people. So Mama had her special person, Miss Monica. But not only did I enjoy going to the market, because I really didn't mind it. I did not. And I would take my list, go to Miss Monica. She pack up with bag. But even while she was packing, she would tell me to go walk. Or if my sister Sophie and I went together, she tell us to go walk and come back. And you see, as we start walking, you have to jump out of the way because something will run over your foot. Some little boy, on a speed, at the helm of his wheel, are going to run over your foot with the hand cart. And then you hear a little picnic a sell Kisco Pop, bag juice. I am telling you, just hearing it was something else. And many of you who went to market in the country parts know exactly what me I talk about, don't it? And then you smell something because there's always some aroma. I come from somewhere. You smell somebody who did carry them food on the market truck or patty a sell inside of the market, or you smell roasted corn, or you smell roast peanut. A nice setting. And man, when you hear the ladies, the experts who go shopping and know them no want no fuba nothing. So when they take up the yam, they might scrutinize the yam. And then when them take up the green banana, then say, but this look like it's soon ripe. They now buy ripe banana. And then you hear somebody over there, so I ask for corn pork. Hallelujah. Market days, I tell you, Penance never had no market, so we had to travel to Chapelton or Maypen. But what I do remember though is the love Miss Monica had for us, looking out for me and my sister every week. And if it's just me alone, she say, "Are you one come?" And I say, "Yes, Miss Monica." Hand her my list. And did you know after a while me graduate? Me graduate from the list. Mama decided that she's now going to send me, and I had better learn how to do the shopping thing with the money that she gave me. I never overspend, and I learned how to walk around. And I saw Miss Monica too. And Miss Monica used to say, "Go on, Denise, you're gone big." I can't forget her. and I would start walking around, man, and go to market and get help with the same little handcart one who used to almost run over my foot, and get help to go down to the bus stop to go back home to Penance with me bag when me one go buy to carry home. Market days really, really nice. But what I used to find fascinating, sometimes the ladies who selling, you see them a buck because poor thing them have to travel in the market truck, get up very early, come in, set up them stall, sit down up for the whole day or two, or even three, because some people used to go to the market for days. And then by the time they had to go back home, tired, tired, tired. But anyway, I enjoyed going to the market and I got so good at it. You remember your market story? Well, you see me, you never know who me going meet a market. So until next week, may I come back with something else that can take you down the journey lane with me. And who knows, maybe I might have you as my guest. You never know. Market day is nice. Right here on Saturday morning runnings inside of the zone with Lady D, Denise Gomez. I'm having a good time. Don't forget, log on to my channel inside of the zone on the YouTube channel and catch me on Facebook, Lady D Denise Gomez, Instagram, Lady D Denise Gomez. We make it so easy for you know, it no hard to find me. Email me inside the zone nyc at gmail.com. Until next week, Saturday morning runnings, I go come back. So me gonna crossroad. Me nah make unu cause the bus fi left me.